Hey everybody! Today's theme is birds. So all of the words today have to do with birds or are about birds. Are you ready? Let's begin. Nest, nest. Egg, egg. Hatch, hatch. Bird, bird. Birds, birds. Peacock, peacock. Wings, wings. Feather, feather. Fly, fly. Peep, peep. Chicks, chicks. Fantastic! Now let's do it faster. Nest, nest. Egg, egg. Hatch, hatch. Bird, bird. Birds, birds. Peacock, peacock. Wings, wings. Feather, feather. Fly, fly. Peep, peep. Chicks, chicks. Great! Are you ready for a little game? I'm going to call out a word and you need to choose the matching card. Listen carefully. Hatch, hatch. Good work. Chicks, chicks. Great job. Wings, wings. Terrific. Peacock, peacock. Excellent. Egg, egg. Well done. Nest, nest. Good work. Now we are going to do a memory game. Remember where these cards are. I'm going to call out one word, and you need to point at the right card. Are you ready? Look for peep. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is peep? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Great job. Now look for fly. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is fly? Could you find it? Yes, you could. Nice work. Now look for birds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where are birds? Could you find them? Yep, that's right. Very good. Now look for feather. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Where is feather? Did you find it? Yep, you did. Well done. Thank you for studying birds with me today. One final question. Where do birds live?